Hello everyone, and welcome to another GSM Unlock tutorial brought to you by unlockresellers.com. In this video, we'll show you how to remove the FRP, or Google account, from the Samsung A15 A115F using Cheetah Tool. Start by going to the MediaTek tab at the top, then head over to the service menu. At the bottom, select your brand and model, in our case, Samsung A115F. The tool will now display some helpful tips on how to connect your device. For this specific model, you'll need to use a test point to connect in BROM mode. We've shown the test point for the A115F right here on the screen. Next, click Reset FRP Lock. Leave the connection type as BROM and press OK. Quick tip. On some models, you might be able to connect in preloader mode just by turning off the phone and plugging it in, or by holding both volume buttons to enter BROM mode. No test point needed. Always choose the connection method that fits your device. Now just sit back and let Cheetah Tool do its job. And in just a few seconds, it's done. Cheetah Tool is a reliable, affordable, and frequently updated GSM solution that supports a wide range of brands and models. Get it now at the best price, along with other professional GSM tools for unlock and repair at unlockresellers.com. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next GSM tutorial.